Okay, I came to my washing machine this morning. It had Logik washing machine error 21, so ERR21. It says when you get this E code, it's an indication that the water hasn't drained properly. Components that need checking include the filter, drain hose, drain pump, level sensor and switch. Luckily it was the first one I checked, the filter, so I'll just show you how to do that on the video now. So this is my model, it's a L612WM16 Logik. So anyway, to clean the filter, I need to get this bottom off. That just clips on in place there. As you can see, the filter is there. So it probably will have water in it. You need to turn it anti-clockwise. You can actually use this to catch the water a bit. Sorry. If your washing machine's full, you're best to scoop it out first with a little dish or a cup or something. And that is it. As you can see, that's your filter. It's still got some muck in it. I cleaned the fluffy carpet thing and it completely chugged this up. So that was it, error 21. So I'll just put this back, empty this tray out. And that's it.